How to fix overheating Realme 15 Lite. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down, so click on display and brightness. Now here first of all, if you want to fix overheating issue, so convert to dark mode. You will see after click on dark mode, you will see dark mode is enable. So after enable dark mode, go back, scroll down and click on battery. Now here click on power saving settings. Now here first of all, turn on automatically enter power saving mode. So after enter this enable this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix overheating on Realme 15 Lite. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.